Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to properly write a parenthetical citation. So parenthetical citations follow all direct quotations. If you are copying someone else's work for your evidence and you do not put a parenthetical citation, that is plagiarism. You will get a 0 on this essay if that happens. So I have a quote that I pulled from Miss Julie Underwood's article, School Uniforms, Dress Codes, and Free Expression, What's the Balance? So I pulled this quote out, I copied it from right here, and then what I did was I just pasted it into here, and now I have to work on finding my parenthetical citation. So this mel.org is very nice because it provides you the citation right here. So all I have to do is scroll down to MLA, and then I have to copy this citation to my works cited page. So I'm going to copy that and head into my works cited page. And then you will just paste it right here. Then, once I have that, my parenthetical citation is just the author's last name and then the page number. And you can see that this page number is page 74. It says it right at the footnote. So page 74, parentheses, and then you put your period on the outside. And that's a parenthetical citation for an article. Now, if I am pulling a quote from something like my procon.org, should students have to wear school uniforms, I might pull something like the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution guarantees all individuals to have the right to express themselves freely. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that in for my evidence right here. And then what I have to do is I have to build my citation. So I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to head into Citation Machine. I'm going to paste the URL under the website for MLA. Hit select. Final step. Make sure that we don't have an author. We do not have an author for this. Then publisher sponsor. It is going to be procon.org. Our article title is incorrect, so we have to fix that. Our article title should students have to wear school uniforms. URL, and then we hit create citation. And then we are going to copy this, and then we're going to paste it into our works cited page. And then if you go back to Citation Machine, there's actually this really nice thing where it says in-text citations. If you click that, it's going to tell you that if you, so normally if we have the contributors and the year, that's what we would include, but because we don't, we're going to include the title. And then you hit copy and paste button, and then you paste it directly after your citation. And make sure you put the period at the end of your parenthetical citation. So thanks for watching, and that's how you do parenthetical citations.